So we're talking about tune-ups, and the first thing we're going to deal with is removing the distributor cap on the vehicle. Most newer vehicles do not have a distributor cap because they use a distributorless ignition system. So on most older cars, they're generally dealing with your distributor cap, and it's one of the items you have to get when you're doing a tune-up. So what you have to do, you have to locate the distributor cap. It is usually it's at the end of where your spark plug wires go into this assembly itself. So once you follow your spark plug wires back, you should be able to find your distributor cap. On a 4-cylinder engine, your distributor cap is going to be placed in the front generally. So this is what we're dealing with here today. So what you want to do, it generally has 2 clips on it. You want to unclip the clips. Maybe if you can't do it physically with your fingers, you want to use a screwdriver. You just kind of reach in and pry on the clips, pry them off of the surface of the distributor cap itself. And then once you have those freed up, you just kind of gently pull the distributor cap up, and you should have it there in your hands. And there you have your distributor cap.